Good morning, everyone. This will be a very short video where we'll be discussing about default. So, default is an option. As you can see up my screen, it is an option which makes you set up the default value while you insert rows inside a table. So, for example, you are creating up a table, say tasks. So you can just see up my screen over here. I'm just saying that use SDB. Then I will say that drop table if exists. Table name is tasks. Let me drop it and then create a new one. So I just go ahead and create a table called as tasks. So you can see up over here that the table has been created. Now what I will do is I will go ahead and insert value for only title into it. So if you can see over here when I created the table, so title is something like which is not null, and priority, only priority is a column over here which has the default value to be 3. So I'll just go ahead and select this to be just execute it. So this executed successfully, and then I will say just say select star from task. So again, like we will be covering up the part of select statement. Star is a method, like it is a way out in SQL to say that please give me all the columns of this table tasks. So I will just select it and then run it. As I run it, you can see over here that a column has been inserted with the title learn MySQL insert statement, and priority has been set to 3. And why this has been set to 3? Because we have given the default value to be 3 over here, right? So next, there are a few more things over here, like we can override the default value, like over here, like this is my MySQL statement, say new one, and I will just go ahead and insert another statement. And if you see over here, this has already also been successfully executed, and I will go ahead and run it. So now my table has two values, and now the value of priority is 1. So before previously, like we never like even inserted it, still it was 3 because the default value was set to 3. Rest others are null. So unless you set the default value and you do not insert them, it will be null. Anyhow, if you mark them not null and then you do not give the value of that particular column, then it will throw an error. For example, if I just go ahead and delete this from here and title from here, so we have already discussed this, like this is just a recap. It will just give an error saying that values of title have a default value, doesn't have a default value. So title does not have a default value and it is also set to not null. That's why it is giving me an error. So another point which we will be discussing today is the keyword default. If you can see over here that we have a keyword default, so sometimes it happens like if like when you are a tester, you do not know that what is the default value for a particular column. There might be a scenario, or there might be a scenario where in writing up a script you want the default value like filled up, and like you do not want to see it because the default value can get changed. Like a person can alter the table and change the default value, right? So in that case, you can use the word default keyword. You can, this is a keyword default, so this actually means the default value of this particular column. So this is the first column, this is the first value, this is the second column, this is the second value. So anyhow, we will be discussing on insert statement, like we can have, like we can fill up all the columns, or either we can select the columns which we want to fill, and then we need to mark up the column list and the value list. So I will just go ahead and like run it again, and I will say it another statement this time, and let me run it and see what are the values which pop up. Let me say select star from tasks, and if you see over here that another statement has the value 3, priority value 3, because what it says is put up the default value, and default value which is marked in the table is 3. So this brings this lesson to the close, and in the next lesson we will be discussing on the foreign key. Thank you guys, have a great day.